Not a makeup artist. This is what works for me, and I am basically just sharing what works for me. And yes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Auxilia, and don't forget to subscribe. So today, basing on the title, I am going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. I kind of deleted the introduction part of this video by mistake, so I thought of just doing this video, like, the introduction part afterwards, because I deleted it by mistake. So yes, basing on the title of the video, I am doing an eyebrow tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. So I am going to be using an eye pencil, a brush, and concealer, and also an old mascara. So I am going to start by putting my eyebrows in place with my mascara, my old mascara. If you don't have a spoolie, this works best. And I'm going to just proceed to put little powder on my eyebrows because I have an oily skin and it gives me hard time trying to, So I'm going to start. Use, small strokes, little strokes to do that. To join your eyebrows. Small or little strokes to do that to your eyebrow, and just don't worry if you make a mistake, because you are going to be using a concealer to rectify your mistakes. So I'm just going to do that to the other side. Gentle strokes, gentle as possible. So just to do that. Gentle as possible. Gentle strokes as possible. So that is done. I am going to be filling my eyebrows, filling your eyebrows with gentle strokes too. I'm going to rectify my mistakes using my concealer, so don't worry. But that is done. Yes, that is done. So I'm going to proceed to use the concealer to just rectify my mistakes. So I'm going to be using this concealer and this brush to do that. Because I have seen this side has a very big problem. very big problem, and it gives me problems each and every time, even when I'm in a hurry. But the concealer is gonna save you. Your concealer is gonna save you so much. So I am done with that side. I'm going to proceed to this other side that gives me headache. I'm going to do that. Conceal it because it gives me headache. That is done. You can now proceed to, rectify everything. With this side of my eyebrow, just rectify it with your concealer. I'm going to do that. Eyebrows are not supposed to be twins. Mine are sisters. Distance. I think distance cousins. Distant cousins. I meant to say cousins. So that is done. I am done with my eyebrows. So yeah, I'm going to finish my final look and then I'll be back. I am back. So I have done my makeup and this is my final look, and I am going to, do other videos. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share and comment. Bye.